Hey everyone, Alex here with Systems Refined, and today I want to talk to you about using Asana to prepare for a hurricane. So I've lived in Florida for nearly my entire life and have been through my fair share of hurricanes growing up. Now that I'm older, I have my own house, I have a dog to worry about, and I have a girlfriend and her dog to look after. So preparing for a hurricane is more than just sitting back and watching my mom and dad do all the prep work. Now, I have been out of the house for over 15 years, but it seems like every time I leave Florida for like a deployment, training, or anything else during hurricane season, a hurricane hits. So I actually haven't been through one in quite a long time. But there is one coming now, and it's Hurricane Dorian, and it is actually expected to hit the east coast of Florida as a Category 4. I live in Tampa, but 2 years ago, when Hurricane Irma hit, it weakened to a Category 1, but still knocked out power for quite a few people for many days in Tampa. I like to be somewhat prepared, so I created a hurricane preparedness list so that if Hurricane Dorian hits, I'll have everything I need to weather the storm for a few days. Everyone that lives in an area that a hurricane can cause damage should be prepared. This list has all the groceries that I need to last me and my girlfriend for 3 days of food if we lose power and can't get anywhere because of flooding. So this will actually last us a little bit longer, but I also have a charcoal grill, so that is why I have charcoal, lighter fluid, and lighter on this list. You also don't want to forget about your pets, so I made sure to put some pet stuff in there for my dogs. Well, my dog and her dog. And of course, beer kind of makes any bad situation a little bit better. Supplies should include anything that you'll need if the power and water goes out. You'll probably spend a lot of time outside as well, so get some insect repellent and some sunscreen. The action steps is everything that I need to do before a hurricane hits, and the after section is what needs to be done after the hurricane has passed. So definitely take some time to think about what you need to buy and what needs to be accomplished before the disaster. So I'll post a few resources below, as well as give you this template for free. All you have to do is just copy and paste the text and add it to Asana. You'll have to create the sections though, so that's the only bad part about that. So if you found this video helpful, go ahead and click on that like button and click on subscribe to see more of my Asana tips videos. And if you're in the path of the hurricane, please be safe and have a plan.